Welcome to the spectacular world of Thousand Vlogs. Ameyoko Shopping Street officially Ameyoko stands as Tokyo's most vibrant open-air market, stretching 500 meters between Junior Ueno Station and Okakimachi Station. With its energetic vendors, affordable prices, and authentic downtown Tokyo atmosphere, Ameyoko offers international travelers an unforgettable shopping experience just minutes from Ueno Park. Born from post-World War to black markets in 1945, this historic shopping district has evolved into a bargain hunter's paradise featuring over 400 shops selling everything from fresh seafood and street food to fashion, cosmetics, and souvenirs. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Ameyoko Shopping Street history begins in the chaotic aftermath of World War II when desperate Tokyo residents created black markets to survive food shortages and rationing systems. Today's bustling marketplace preserves the energetic spirit of those difficult times while offering modern shopping convenience and cultural diversity. The name Ameyoko derives from two sources. Ameyoko Candy Store Alley, referencing the hundreds of sweet shops that emerged in 1945-1947. And America Yokocho America Alley, reflecting the flood of American military goods sold after 1950. Please like, share, and subscribe. Following Japan's surrender in August 1945, Tokyo lay devastated by air raids with collapsed government food distribution systems, leading to the emergence of approximately 45,000 black market stalls across the city. The area beneath the Yamano Line railway tracks between Ueno and Okakimachi stations became Tokyo's largest black market, later known as Ameyoko, where vendors sold rice, vegetables, American military supplies, and candy, taking advantage of the location's proximity to major railway stations. Though illegal and partly controlled by Yakuza organizations who established territorial boundaries, these black markets proved essential for Tokyo's survival and economic recovery during the post-war period. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. During 1946 to 1947, severe sugar shortages created massive demand for sweets, particularly in the Tohoku region, leading Ueno's black market dealers to specialize in selling candy to travelers at Ueno Station, with merchants from northeastern Japan buying wholesale and reselling at 3 to 4 times the markup back home. The concentration of hundreds of candy shops inspired the nickname Ameyoko Candy Store Alley, and in 1946 the Tokyo municipal government began legalizing operations by constructing buildings to house the businesses, marking the transition from illegal black market to semi-regulated marketplace. In 1949, merchants, many of them repatriated Japanese soldiers from mainland Asia, established the Ameyoko Merchants Association, which continues to operate today, coordinating market activities and preserving the area's unique character against modernization pressures. Please do watch our other Ueno Japan series. The Korean War's outbreak in June 1950 sparked Japan's economic recovery and flooded Tokyo markets with contraband American goods, leading shops near Okakimachi Station to specialize in U.S. merchandise like Hershey's chocolate, Zippo lighters, Ray-Ban sunglasses, and military items, earning the area the nickname Ameyoko America Alley. This American goods district gradually merged with the neighboring Candy Alley, creating a unified marketplace called Ameyoko, a name reflecting both its Amiya candy and America origins. Throughout the 1950s-1960s, Ameyoko demonstrated remarkable adaptability by continuously shifting its inventory from candy to canned goods, then to fresh fish, exotic imported foods, and eventually clothing and cosmetics, allowing it to survive economic changes that destroyed other post-war markets. Ameyoko Shopping Street today features a vibrant mix of traditional market stalls, modern shops, and international cuisine vendors spread across approximately 500 meters. Over 400 shops offer extraordinary product diversity at competitive prices, from ultra-fresh seafood to streetwear fashion, making Ameyoko Tokyo's most eclectic shopping destination. Please do watch our other Tokyo Japan playlist. Ameyoko offers fashion enthusiasts extraordinary bargains with discount clothing, sneakers, designer accessories, and cosmetics priced 30 to 50% below department stores, while military surplus stores sell off antique American goods reminiscent of the 1950s era, including leather jackets and vintage equipment. The Ameyoko Center building's third floor houses specialty shops like camera stores, vinyl record shops, and pop fashion boutiques, contributing to the market's reputation for hidden treasures and unique finds unavailable in mainstream Tokyo districts. Drugstores throughout Ameyoko attract international tourists with deeply discounted Japanese cosmetics, skincare products, and health supplements, offering tax-free shopping and authentic beauty products at a fraction of department store costs. Ameyoko Plaza occupies the atmospheric covered space beneath the Junior Yamanote Line elevated tracks, featuring small boutiques, international eateries, and specialty food shops, with the constant rumble of passing trains overhead adding to the market's distinctive character. The plaza's maze-like layout with narrow alleys, intersecting passages, neon signs, hanging merchandise, and colorful posters creates visual chaos that contrasts sharply with Tokyo's typically organized shopping districts. This slightly chaotic atmosphere represents authentic Shitamachi downtown Tokyo culture, offering an adventure for explorers seeking the old Tokyo experience. Have you been Tokyo? Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below.
Kaliwa kanan. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.